Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you advantages of having variations of your domain with Dataczar Connect. So first of all, go to dataczar.com and get logged in. Now we're already logged into our account, so it's going to take you to the dashboard right here on the main menu. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually create a post to show you the advantages of having variations of your domain. So we're going to click on the website button here. These are all the editing tools. We're not going to go through this because we have a featured tutorial videos under the help button that show you that. So we're going to go through this pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and create the post. And again, we have tutorials on creating posts. So we're going to go through this pretty quick. So let's go ahead and create new. So I'm going to create a new post, and this is going to allow us to show you the advantages of having variations of your domain. So let's go ahead and copy the title. Let's paste it in here. And we're going to add a featured image, and I already have one picked out under my images. We're going to use this one right here. And then we're going to categorize this post too as a benefits. We have our post categorized on our website. I'll show you that here in just a bit. It's pretty interesting. And let me just get the copy down here. Let me grab this, and I'm going to just paste it in, make this go quickly. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop this down, and we're going to put our headline on here. Go bold, 18 points, center it. So the advantages of having variations of your domain, first of all, it lets you redirect your domain. And actually, we don't even have that written in here. So it allows you to redirect domains to your domain. So, really, that's the first benefit right there. Let's go ahead and highlight that. And then the next one would be obvious typos and misspellings right here. And so it makes it so customers or people are redirected to your correct website. And then also makes it so people can't take advantages of obvious typos and misspellings and have them redirect to their website. So that's one right there. And then the next one is look-alike and sound-alike domains. And for example, we have outdoor pics with a C.com. We also could have AAA outdoor pics with an X.com. So pics and pics sound alike. So that's something else that you might want to think about when registering similar domains. And the next one is the ability to add descriptions. And for example, we have AAAOutdoorScenes.com. We could also register AAAOutdoorHiking.com, AAAOutdoorPictures.com, AAAOutdoorCalifornia.com. We could have them all redirect to AAAOutdoorScenes.com. So that's another one. And then the next one on the list is additional top-level domains. And when we talk about top-level domains, we're talking about .com. We could have AAAOutdoorScenes.com. We could also have AAAOutdoorScenes.net. Or for those that want .org, we also have .org available. And then next is if you registered a domain with dashes, if that's something that you chose to do, then you might want to register it without the dashes. For example, AAA-OutdoorScenes-.com. You might want to do a domain search for AAAOutdoorScenes.com and also register that, and then have that register or have that redirect to the one with the dashes, or vice versa. You can have the one with the dash redirect to the AAA Outdoor Scenes. So we're going to go ahead and create this post, and by clicking the create button right there. And let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website, and we're going to go ahead and refresh the page right here. And then I categorize this under benefits. So we're going to go ahead and click on the benefits page right here. And there it is, advantages of having variations of your domain. These are the other tutorials that we did, tips on writing great email headlines, benefits of categorizing posts, benefits of having a website, and that sort of thing. And I'm going to show you something in here in just a minute, but let's click on our post that we just created. So advantages of having variations of your domain allows you to redirect your domains to your domain. For example, obvious typos and misspellings, look-alike and sound-alike names, the ability to add descriptions, additional top-level domains like .com, .net, .org, or if you registered with dashes, you might want to consider registering without dashes and have that redirect. So let's go back over to Connect, and to register additional domains on your same account and have them redirect, just go to the Domains button. If you already have a domain registered, go to the Domains button, find an additional domain, register it. It's going to automatically redirect to your domain. So that's already set up to happen. And let's go to the Help button real quick. These are the featured tutorial videos I mentioned. Those are really good. Also, look at the tutorial videos if you have a chance. And this lists all of our tutorial videos here. And you can just do a search there and find, what you're looking for, whether it be benefits or adding a page or that sort of thing. Let's tab back over to Connect, and let's go back up to Dashboard. And that's it. Those are the advantages of having variations of your domain at Dataczar Connect.